Today I'm gonna show you how you can use the background remover in Canva Pro to create a 3D breakout effect when you create your social media posts. Here we have the thumbnail that I created for this video. Let's add a page and do the same thing again. We are gonna start by adding a photo. Let's change the background here to white so it's a little easier to see. As you see, she has a yellow background here, and that's where I want to remove the background. So I go up to edit image and background remover. As I said, this is an effect for Canva Pro. And if you want to try Canva Pro yourself, I have a link down in the description where you can try it free for 30 days. Okay, the background is removed. Before I click apply, I want to narrow the empty spaces of her a little bit. And then I click apply. So now we have her here. Let's make her a little larger and put her down at the bottom. Now I need to add my text. Let's lock that in place now so I can grab her and move her. So what I want to do is to have her arm point out through this D. Let's unlock that again and move it down and lock it so it doesn't interfere with my work with her image. Okay, now I need to select her again. The 3D, the text is locked in place, and let me duplicate her by going up to this little symbol here and click duplicate. Now I need to enlarge this a little bit so I can see when I move her. That looks pretty good. But now she is in front of the 3 and part of the D. So what I need to do is to grab this and resize the image a little bit until I get over there. We have her behind, and her arm is also in front of the D. Back to the 3D here. As I had done on my original image, I had created this using frames. So let's take away the text again, go to elements and go search for frames. Here we have them. And if you scroll down around in the frames section here, you have letters and you have numbers. So I want the number 3, and we have 2 frames to choose from. I'm gonna choose this one, and then I want frames with a D, and I'm gonna pick this one. I need to unlock this so I can move that behind her arm. And let's go back and lock the arm again. So now I have these that are frames. So now let's go up and find photos again. And recently used, I think I used this one. So let's grab this and just drag it into the 3. One more time, drag it into the D. The problem now is that it shows the same position of the waves here. So what I can do is double click within my frame and drag the picture. So here I see a little tiny bit of the sky in the background there. So let's stop there and do the same thing with the other one and drag it over so we have a lot of sky in that picture. Now it looks like it is a continuance. We have only one thing left to do, and that is with her in the background here. We need to unlock her and go up to edit image again and add a shadow. See all? A drop shadow on her. And now I need to do the same on her arm. So now we have this shadow coming on top of the D as well as behind her. That's an easy way to create a 3D effect using layering and the background remover. I hope this inspires you to create your own social media posts. Hej då!